Quick question. How many lines of Python code did you write this week that you didn't actually need? If you use Python daily and don't know these tricks, you're leaking time. In the next few minutes, I'll fix that. Hey everyone, welcome to BinaryBros Tech. We share Python tips that make you faster, not just clever. No theory dumps, only things you can use today. Let's jump straight into tip 1. Let's start simple but powerful. Swapping variables. In most languages, you need a temporary variable, extra lines, extra chances to mess up. Python removes that completely. Just write a comma b equal b, comma a. Python packs the values into a tuple and unpacks them instantly. This isn't a trick, it's how Python is designed. Cleaner code, fewer bugs, and interviewers instantly know you understand Pythonic thinking. Be honest, how many times have you created a counter variable just to get an index? If you're doing this in Python, you're fighting the language. Use enumerate method. It gives you the index and the value together, cleanly and safely. Your code becomes shorter, more readable, and you never forget to increment the counter again. Let's say you have two lists, names and scores, and want to loop over both. Many people reach for indexes. That's where bugs start. Zip method pairs values together automatically and lets you iterate in parallel. It even stops safely at the shortest list. Less logic, fewer errors, more confidence. Counting things should not take 10 lines of code. Words, errors, votes. Python already solved this problem. Counter gives you frequencies instantly with a single line of code. This shows up everywhere. Interviews, analytics, logging, and debugging. Many production bugs come from assumptions, especially assuming a dictionary key always exists. Dictionaries get method lets you provide a safe default value instead of crashing. No key errors. No ugly try except blocks. This is defensive, professional Python. List comprehensions are powerful, but the goal isn't to be clever, it's to be clear. If your logic fits on one line and reads like a sentence, list comprehensions reduce noise. If it becomes hard to read, stop. Clarity always beats cleverness. When you see a loop, you must read it line by line. When you see any or all methods, you instantly understand the intent. These functions replace verbose checks with expressive code. Less thinking for future? You, and for everyone on your team. If you're still using os.path everywhere, you're not wrong, but you are outdated. Pathlib gives you readable, object-oriented file handling. It's cross-platform, cleaner, and the modern Python way. In Python, underscores communicate intent. When you assign a value to underscore, you're saying, this exists, but I don't need it. It shows you're ignoring something intentionally, not by mistake. This line confuses beginners, but it's essential for real projects. It controls what runs when a file is executed directly versus imported. Think of it as the entry gate to your program. Some bonus tips for you guys before we end the video. Before Googling, try this. Use help and dir methods. Python ships with its own documentation, fast, accurate, always available. If this video saved you time, hit subscribe. Shorts bring speed. Long videos bring mastery. New Python content every week on BinaryBros Tech.